Hi, this is Sean with Ikan at InfoComm 2026, and today I want to show you the M-PTZ-PEDESTAL-33. So we have a line of motorized pedestals currently. Those are 66-pound payload pedestals though. This one is more of if you're just trying to put a PTZ camera and not necessarily a full teleprompter system, so it's more lightweight and cost effective. There are different modes to control it. You can use the built-in controller here that has up and down arrows, or you can set up to 3 presets. I'll go ahead and take it up for you a little bit to show you how tall it goes. It goes up to 82 inches. From 41 to 82 inches is the height range. So there you go. It also has a leveling head, so you can level it out. Quick release plate. And yeah, the 1/4-20 screw on the quick release plate screws right into the bottom of your PTZ camera. It does have a 33-pound payload, so if you want, you can add some accessories like a talent monitor or anything like that. So we've used an adapted light stand dolly, but we've added some casters with cable guards on them, make it a little bit more studio friendly. This is the M-PTZ-PEDESTAL-33. To find more information about it, please visit us at icancorp.com.